point is my center, you want to grab your staff just off center on the direction that you're starting. So I'm starting on my right side, I'm gonna grab it just off to the right. And then I'm gonna bring the staff to the right, out to the side. You want your feet planted on the ground and facing forward. My staff is now out to the right, and then you're going to turn your upper body, your shoulders, to face the staff, like this. So my shoulders are facing right, the staff is out to the right, but my feet are facing forward. Now you're gonna bring the staff up under your armpit, like this. So it's up under your armpit, you can kind of just hold it here, rest it on top of your hand. And this is how you're just gonna give it the little push that it needs from up under your pit. So facing forward, everything's to the right, give it a little push, right? As you do that, as the staff comes up and makes this rotation around, you're going to turn your upper body to the left side. So the staff can fall down over your left shoulder and you can start in the same position, but on the opposite side. And that's all there is to it. So start on the right, up under the armpit, give a little push, turn your upper body, catch it, just like that. It'll take a little finesse and practice to get it really perfect, but definitely practice going both directions, and you've got this. I hope that helps.